44 seconds per kilometer.
Today is Saturday, 16th December 2023. I'm doing a bike ride around Lake Burley, Griffin. So I'm opposite to the National Museum and Black Mountain Telescope Tower. And this side is National Library. So I'm taking a video of me and here until the flagpoles. So let us see slowly bike ride and take the video. Bike ride as well as taking video from the this is the city and that is the National Museum. City buildings. You can see them through these trees. And that is the National Library. And this is the Commonwealth Bridge and Lake Burley, Griffin. We got two bridges. One is Commonwealth Bridge, another is King's Avenue Bridge. So going around between the bridges, it is 5 kilometers. But the total loop is 20 kilometers. And if you cover the wetlands, 32 kilometers. So that is how it is. So these are the city buildings you can see and Commonwealth Bridge. And this is the National Library. So we are going up to Flagpoles, opposite to Old Parliament House and New Parliament House. So I know you got a restaurant there. So we just and along this lake, so they put different blocks for the senior citizens, young citizens, Australian, all those people for last several years. So they got plaques they installed. So those are plaques there. You can see them along this lake and they put the plaques. So this is called a Parliament Triangle. So it is a nice tree line. You can see that nice tree lines. It's very beautiful here. So there is a nice tree line here. So we go to the here. These are the plaques I am talking about. I'll just stop 1 second so that you know I won't slip. These are the plaques I am talking about. So you can see that. So those are the plaques. That is the Mount Ainslie. This is city and that is the Telescope Tower and Commonwealth Bridge. I will show you myself. I'll get off the bike, so I'll show you. So here, so this is the nice gesture for see Australian of the year 1979. Senator Neville Bonner, Harry Butler, Julie Sochaki. So there are three people. One is Australian of the year, other one. So they're all Australian, young Australian of the Julie is young Australian. So like that. So you got plaques. So every year they are giving a plaques. So that is how they celebrating. So I will force ahead and bike ride until the flags, so that we go quickly. So there's nice tree line. So you can see that is the Regatta Point.
Time 5 hours 45 minutes. Distance 32.18 kilometers. Average pace 10 minutes 43 seconds per kilometer.
That's the mountains, and that's where the near our house. So you can see colorful plants, flowers, and there are some restaurants. That is the Carolina, which we gone through. So there are the defense offices there. So there are ducks in the lake. You can see they are swimming around. So people are having parties. There are ducks in the lakes, nice flowers, and here. So you can see them. These are the flagpoles which are coming. So I will show you those. All country flagpoles are here, including India. So we got restaurants. People do spend time weekend, evening and morning. So there is a protest for drugs. I think there are so many cars. How many people died because of misuse of drugs. That's why they were protesting here. So with different messages. So there is a restaurant. You can see that people, full of people here. And so and there is the Carolina. And we got flagpoles. And Saturday we got markets in the flagpoles here. So I will stop here and get off my bike so that I will. So you can see the flagpoles there. So, and that is the Carolina. And that is Mount Ainsley. And that is the city. And these are the flagpoles this side. India flagpole is in this side. I will show you myself. This is Bandy going around Lake Burley, Griffin. I am about to complete my bike ride. Another 20 minutes to go my home. So these are the markets in a variety of markets on Saturday in the lake. The other side is the old Parliament House. Then behind that is the new Parliament House. So there's a band. His music is playing. Christmas band. So there is a big restaurant of Jetty. So